Engilico is the world leader in 100% inline seal inspection on flexible packages like pouches, flow pack and pillow bags. And we do that with our patented solution SealScope. We currently have over 150 installations worldwide in top players in the food and pet care industry. With the incorporation of Engilico USA and our presence here at Pack Expo, we want to further grow our business in America and also better serve our customers. Seal inspection is getting more and more attention in the packaging industry, since companies realize that the quality of the end seals determines the quality of their products. Good seals warrant long shelf life, reduce costly customer recalls, support the brand image, and even protects against liability. The typical SealScope customer is packaging fresh produce, retort products, liquids or other quality sensitive goods at high speeds on fully automated lines. Before SealScope, most inspection techniques relied on offline manual inspection, mostly via sampling. The main drawbacks here are the limited effectiveness, the high cost involved with destructive testing, and the fact that these tests give delayed feedback in case there's an issue with your line. SealScope is the first successful inline seal inspection device that checks all end seals non-destructively and without speed limitations. It serves as a quality safety net for your products since it checks 100% of the production, and it also gives constant feedback of the underlying packaging process, giving you early warning in case something is wrong, so you can correct it in time and at its core. In short, the main benefits of SealScope are better packaging quality, since it inspects all outgoing products, higher packaging productivity, since it enables optimizing and monitoring of your packaging process. It offers truly automated inspection, which enables end-of-line automation, and it leads to overall reduced packaging costs. If you're interested to see what we can do for you, please contact us or visit us on engilico.com for more information about SealScope. Thank you for watching.